Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we will be discussing the topic of special educational needs and disabilities, which I am going to use the word SEND, S-E-N-D, the special educational needs and disabilities. And definitely the essential role of teachers in supporting students with SEND in their schools. SEND cover a wide spectrum of needs from mild to severe and from temporary to permanent. It is important for teachers to have an understanding of SEND and to be equipped with the necessary skills to support the unique needs of students in their classroom. Let's first understand what is the SEND. Special educational needs and disabilities is a term used to describe the needs of children and young people who require extra support to reach their full potential. This can include children with physical disabilities, academic challenges, social and emotional difficulties, communication disorder, or medical conditions. SEND is not a one-size-fits-all, as each student has unique needs and requirements. It is important for teachers to be aware of the different types of SEND and how they can affect a student's learning both inside and outside the classroom. Let's talk about the importance of inclusive practice. Inclusive practice is an approach to educating students with SEND that ensures that all students, regardless of their ability, are treated equally in terms of access of learning opportunities, resources, and support. Inclusive practice is crucial in ensuring that students with SEND feel valued, respected, and included in all aspects of school life. Teachers play a key role in creating an inclusive learning environment and promoting positive attitudes towards students with SEND. Let's talk about the strategies to support students with SEND. Teachers can use a variety of strategies to support students with SEND in their classroom. One effective strategy is to differentiate their teaching to meet the needs of the individual students. Teacher can do this by providing extra resources, adjusting the pace of the lesson, simplifying the language, or breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Another strategy is to use visual aids, such as pictures, diagrams, or videos to help students with SEND better understand and remember information. It is also important for teachers to provide emotional support to students with SEND and cultivate the strong relationship with them, enabling them to feel supported and encouraged. Let's talk about collaborating with SENCO and parents. SENCO means Special Educational Needs Coordinator. That is a person who is responsible for coordinating support and provision for children with SEND. SENCO is someone that teachers can collaborate with to provide additional support for students with SEND in their classroom. Teachers can work with SENCO to create personalized learning plans, access specialist resources, or receive training in specific areas of SEND that are relevant to their students. Collaborating with parents and carers is also crucial in supporting students with SEND. Teachers can work with parents and carers to understand their child needs, access additional support where necessary, and provide feedback on their child's progress. Let's talk about the importance of continuous professional development in this regard. Continuous professional development, CPD, refers to the process of maintaining and improving knowledge, skills, and competencies related to one's profession. CPD is important for teachers who wish to support students with SEND, and it allows them to stay up to date with the latest research on SEND and learn new strategies and techniques to support their students. By undertaking ongoing CPD, teachers can also gain valuable insight into the challenges and opportunities of working with students with SEND, enabling them to be more effective in their teaching and support. In conclusion, I should say that it is crucial for teachers to have an understanding of special educational needs and disabilities, SEND again, and to be equipped with the necessary skills to support the unique needs of students in their classroom. Creating an inclusive learning environment, differentiating teaching, and collaborating with SENCO and parents are some of the key strategies that teachers can use to support students with SEND. Continuous professional development is also an important step for teachers to maintain and improve their knowledge, skills, and competencies related to SEND. With these strategies in mind, teachers can play an essential role in supporting students with SEND to achieve their full potential in school and in life. in the last of the video, I would request all the teaching staff who are dealing with SENCO students, let's make a promise with ourselves that we will try to support them as much as we can. They have full right to participate in their life and enjoy like others. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.